Crypto's tanking hard. Bitcoin's crashed to $78,000 and Ethereum's bleeding around $2,000. Billions wiped out and crypto Twitter is in panic mode. But listen up. While the herd's selling in fear, DeFi wizards are stacking cash. I'm spilling 5 killer DeFi hacks to flip this chaos into profit. Stablecoin gold mines. Arbitrage wins. Undervalued steals. This crash? It's your shot to shine. News says it's doom, but I say it's opportunity. Stick with me. These next minutes could change your game. Let's level set. DeFi, or decentralized finance, is your ticket to financial freedom on the blockchain. No suits, no banks, just code and opportunity. It's lending, borrowing, trading, and earning all peer-to-peer. Why is it a big deal now? Because when crypto's crashing, DeFi keeps humming. Volatility's your enemy in TradFi, but in DeFi, it's your playground. Think of it as a Swiss Army knife for profit when the market's on fire. Ready to wield it? Let's hit these hacks. First hack. Stablecoins. These are your crypto lifeboats. Pegged to the dollar, they don't budge when Bitcoin's doing a faceplant. With prices tanking, stablecoins are king. Here's the play. Lend them out. Platforms like Aave and Compound are your go-tos. Drop $10,000 in USDC or USDT on Aave right now, and you're pulling 3 to 5% APY. That's $300 to $500 a year, risk-free, while the market's in meltdown mode. Demand spiking. Lending rates are climbing as traders ditch volatile coins. Stablecoins dodge the chaos. And a bonus move. Toss them into Curve's stable pools for trading fees without impermanent loss screwing you. It's steady cash flow while everyone else is crying. Hack 2. Yield farming and staking. Your passive income machines. Even with prices cratering, DeFi protocols are dishing out rewards. Yield farming is like planting seeds in a digital field. Take Sushi Swap, for example. Provide liquidity to an Ethereum USDC pool, and you're raking in trading fees plus sushi tokens. LFJ, former trader Joe, does the same and is worth watching. Crash-driven volume spikes mean fatter payouts on these decentralized exchanges. Some pools can easily hit double-digit APYs. Staking is the cousin. Lock tokens to secure a network and get paid to chill. Lido's staked Ethereum is offering 3.25% right now, and crashes often juice those rates to keep holders in. Hack 3's got edge. Shorting. When prices plummet like recent Ethereum's 20% dive, you can cash in on the drop. DeFi makes it slick with platforms like DYDX. Here's the drill. Borrow 1 Ethereum at $2,000, sell it, wait for it to hit $1,800, buy back, return the Ethereum, and pocket $200. Minus some interest, sure, but that's profit from a falling knife. Risky? Hell yeah. Prices can moon unexpectedly, so you gotta know your exits. Hack 4. Arbitrage. This is your ninja move during a crash. With prices bouncing, exchanges can't keep up. For example, Bitcoin's $90,000 on one DEX, $90,500 on another. Buy low, sell high, bank the spread. Panic selling and liquidity gaps make these gaps pop up more now. Tools like DEX Screener, CoinMarketCap, and DeFi Llama are your radar. Spot the differences fast. Speed is key. Gas fees can nibble profits, so move quick. It's like free money if you've got the hustle. Hack 5. Scoop up undervalued gems. Crashes oversell the good stuff. Ethereum down to $2,000 is unreal, as it's still the backbone of DeFi. Chainlink's oracles, vital for any crypto protocol, tank too. These are not meme coins. They've got fundamentals. Teams, utility, adoption. By now, hold tight and profit when the market wakes up. News is screaming sell, but I'm yelling stack. This dip is a gift. Don't chase trash, though. X is littered with shills. Research or get wrecked. Got a hidden gem in mind? Drop it in the comments. I'm curious. There you go, fam. 5 DeFi hacks to turn this crypto crash into your payday. Stablecoins for safety, farming for yield, shorting for guts, arbitrage for speed, and buying low for the long game. The market's a mess, but you're not. Use these plays smart. Manage your risks, and you'll come out ahead. Love this? Smash that like button, drop a comment with your thoughts. Seriously, I read them all. And subscribe to Crypto Yield Pro. Hit the bell so you don't miss a beat. Oh, and if DeFi is still Greek to you, I've got an ebook, Financial Freedom, the Ultimate Beginner's Guide. It's packed with no BS tips to master the space. Links in the first pinned comment. Grabbing it supports me to keep dropping daily heat like this. Check my last video, it's linked somewhere in your screen. Thanks for rolling with me. See you tomorrow in the next one.